this video, I'm gonna help my mom make macaroni, but it's actually vegetarian. But before we start, let's go with some rules. Rule number 1, always wash your hands with soap to get the germs away, which I already did before we start the video. Number 2, always have a grown-up when you're cooking. So now let's jump into the fun part. So we have a pot with water that my mom is gonna turn on, and it's gonna make it to a boil. And we always gotta be careful with boiled water. Next we got 2 cups of macaroni. You can use any shape and size. So we have our dry seasonings here. So all pour the teaspoon. And theirs is on all-purpose seasoning, Caribbean pasta seasoning, 5 spice, and Chinese spice. Now right here, we have a carrot, an onion, and a piece of a bell pepper, and a teaspoon of fresh ground seasoning. Oh, don't forget our salt, which we're gonna put in the boiling water with the pasta. So right now, water is boiling, and now we're gonna put the salt. And now it's time for the pasta. Take a little bit. We're gonna boil this until tender. We're gonna strain it up and fry it up. Let's get cutting.
Rudresh is actually using a bread knife because he wants to be safe.
Get the pasta in the stir. You see, my sister wants to cook with me too.
Right, Charlie, say hi to your friends. Say hi, guys.
Okay. So the pasta is finished, and my mom was gonna strain it out because I don't want to get burned. So our macaroni is all drained up with water. So now we're gonna fry with all the fun, tasty seasonings. So we're gonna cook this on low heat because there's not a lot of macaroni. We have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm gonna add my onion into the pot. So now I'm gonna stir it up. Sometimes when you're making something else, it will pitch. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of lime seasoning. So now I'm gonna add my vegetable this is how it's looking right now. Now I'm gonna pour my macaroni. So cool. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna taste it. It's really good. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you start cooking. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, click the bell button, and like. See you next time. Bye bye.
2 hours later.
What are you guys doing?
Playing with some chalk.
What are you making, Mama?
Drawing.
You making a drawing? Oh, what are you making?
Nothing right now. Nothing. I show you the bye.
I don't know what Buddy's trying to do.
Oh, wrong way. Although when we watch his movie, a little bit better.
Ooh, what color is that? Yellow. Doing some lovely drawings there.
I'm doing something similar than what Dylan did.
You're having what, a color variation? That's okay, Princess. Let me see what you're drawing. Nice. Yes?
Drawing.
You're making a drawing? You got a green? Buddy just give you a green? That's a green.
And I don't forget a red.
Don't forget.
A red.
Don't forget.
A red.
Not forgot. Forget.
Yeah, what color is it?
Say cheese.